I'm Divina Carbonel Pascua, working experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. A house, technically 3,000 square meter, and I have 10 people to serve, and then washing, cooking, and household chores. Also in Dubai, I take care of 3 kids, 17, 11, and 7 years old. Two couple in there, and for 2 years also.
And in Hong Kong, is it you work for 1 year for more than 2 years, 2 years and
In
5 months?
In Hong Kong, I work also for 2 years and 5 months in one employer.
And
I
you're
take care
taking
of baby 5 months until 3 years old.
yes. And how old are you? Sorry.
I'm 48 years old.
Yes, 48, and you have two sons already. Two daughters.
One son and one daughter.
Oh.
25 years old and 28.
Okay, thank you very much.